Hi, today I'm with me Motorola Moto G72 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. So we can see here that we are logging in one Gmail account, and if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, you should log out from this account on Google account settings on our device. So just to do that, we should click Manage Accounts on this device, select this account and click here Remove Account, then confirm your action, and here in Google account settings we can see that we just successfully log out from Gmail account. So let's go back to the application and we can see here in the apps we also log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.